Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to show you a healthy, gluten-free, vegan Thanksgiving recipe. So we're going to be making a lentil, mushroom, chickpea loaf instead of a meatloaf. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll get started. So just to start off, I'm going to explain all the ingredients. So you're going to need 2 cups of cooked lentils and 2 cups of cooked chickpeas, and you want to soak them in 4 cups of vegetable broth. You're going to need 1 cup of carrots, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, 3 cups of mushrooms, 4 garlic cloves, 3/4 cup of peppers, whatever your favorite peppers are, and 1 cup of gluten-free breadcrumbs, 1 cup of oatmeal, and your favorite herbs, the herbs that you love the best. So I'm using this Italian seasoning with thyme, basil, rosemary, and oregano, and I'm also going to use turmeric. I love putting turmeric on everything because of the anti-inflammatory properties. I'm also going to be using black pepper, sea salt, and a little bit of this roasted garlic and herb seasoning with parsley, sea salt, garlic oil, and dehydrated vegetables. But whatever spices you love the best, those are the ones you want to use. So next, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a saucepan, saute the onions and olive oil until they're sweet and fragrant. Add the garlic, carrots, peppers, and mushrooms, and saute a few minutes longer until vegetables are tender and lightly browned. Once your vegetables are sauteed, you can combine them in a food processor or just blend them all together using a fork. After they're all blended together, transfer the vegan meatloaf into a prepared meatloaf pan and pat it down evenly. Bake for 30 minutes. While the loaf is baking, whisk together the ingredients for your maple tomato glaze. 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, 3 tablespoons of vegan Worcestershire sauce. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of maple agave syrup. After 30 minutes of baking, remove the loaf from the oven. Evenly spread a layer of the tomato glaze and return the loaf to the oven. Bake your loaf for another 10 to 15 minutes until the tomato glaze starts to brown on the edges and the loaf is firm in the middle. Let the loaf cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing up and serving with your favorite sides. All right, I'm going to try my first bite. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know how this recipe goes for you and how you enjoy it in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Maybe pair this with some green beans or your favorite vegetables, and I hope you have a very happy Thanksgiving.